Hey! Woo! Before I move all of these, I want to get on here. How y'all doing? You looking at your new graduate? I did it. 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 Whew. This was one of the hardest thing I had to do, but I did it. Class of 2022. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But yeah, man, this is a great day. And represent Haiti. Haiti. But yeah, that's it. That's the video. Just getting on here saying I did it. And whatever you have in your mind to do, whatever you're doing, and it's possible. It is possible. Whew. Now I'm gonna celebrate and enjoy, and then we'll talk. Okay. Anyways, my time to go eat.